about an hour ride from the center of Rome, and now it looks like I am in the middle of nowhere. I'm actually visiting this place called Santuario della Madonna della Divino Amore. It's sanctuary of it's difficult. It's a sanctuary of divine love. It's so lush out here, so green and so peaceful. Around this time of week, it's still weekday, and I just wanted to show you this beautiful view, very peaceful out here, and you can hear the sweet singing, tweeting, the original Twitter. And look at those chubby cats. So this is the garden, and there's the picnic area up there, and then I think in that area is the old the original small chapel, and then they built this really big one down there. If you could see that greenery underneath that space is the new large church, and it's very peaceful out here, and I took some time to reflect and say a little prayer in front of that shrine, and which I'm going to show you in a minute. So lush. It's almost spring, and it's a bit breezy today and cloudy, but I'm happy it did not rain. And I love it here. It's well maintained, and yeah, so that's the picnic area with tables and chairs and everything. And so this is the replica of the Madonna of Our Lady of Lourdes. And lots of people offer flowers and plants as well. So it's like underneath this I think it's yeah, it looks like a cave. So I don't know if, oh, was that a succulent plant? It looks like I got distracted right away. Sorry. And yeah, it's a stone. Look at that kalankoi, tomentosa, hairy and fat. So this place is known to be a miraculous place where the apparition of Our Lady happened many years ago, but I did not really take some time to look it up. I mean the story, and I will try to look it up, and I'll share it in the comment section down below. So I think I have to stop the video here because I want to do spend some time inside that big church down there. They always expose the Blessed Sacrament every day, so I wanted to spend a little time in quiet and peace, and spend some time in prayer. And so that's the original old building. It's got this painting, and it says Mother Mater Divini Amore. Amores. I think it means Mother of Divine Love. So that's the church down there, and from here you could see that crucifix. It looks like it's in the middle of nowhere, but it's very peaceful in here. And let's see. Okay, it's quite big, and that's the chapel, another church, another church. The shrine. Oh, it's quite big, so I'm gonna take some time and investigate and look around. But I'm happy that today it looks like I'm the only person here, but usually this place is packed with people, maybe on weekends, but not today, and I'm quite happy about that. And so I thought it was a squirrel jumping up and down. It's the kitty cat. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching, and take care. Bye. And hi, it's me again. And on my way down to the big church, I saw this very big planter, and check out this plants here. It looks like agave, but I'm not sure. And there are more coming out there. I just thought it's nice to show them to you. And that's the big church. And I'm not sure if it's open today. It looks like no one's inside, but I can see the doors are open from here, and they have this mosaic art, or is it painting of Pope John Paul II, who is now a saint. He was canonized just a few years after he died. Hold on, I'm not sure if you can see that. This mosaic is a work of Luca Vernizzi, and the rest I don't understand it anymore. I can see a few people walking around. Okay, let's go in. Look at that view. Okay, I have to say goodbye here. Thank you so much. Bye again.